Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, we have a Math Olympiad problem from Brazil, and our task is to find the value of a plus b, given that a cubed plus b cubed is equal to 1, and a plus b times a plus 1 times b plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, to solve this problem, what we are going to do is that we will express these two equations in terms of a plus b and a times b. Now, for simplicity, let a plus b be equal to x, while a times b is equal to y. Now, from the first equation, on the left-hand side, we have a cubed plus b cubed. But we can also write a cubed plus b cubed as a plus b cubed minus 3 times ab times a plus b. And of course, now, with these two substitutions, we can write this expression as x cubed minus 3xy. Now, we can still factorize this. When you look at these two terms, you'll see a common factor, which is x. So we have x into x cubed divided by x is x squared, minus 3xy divided by x is minus 3y. And of course, from the first equation, this, which is now equal to this, is equal to 1. Now, from the second equation, already we have x. Let us multiply these two factors. A times b is ab. A times 1 is a. B times 1 is b. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now, this is equal to 2. Remember that a plus b is equal to x and ab is equal to y. So we can write this equation as x times x plus y plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, from the second equation, you can see that a plus b cannot be equal to 0. So what we are going to do is that we will divide through this equation by x. When we do that, we have that x plus y plus 1 is equal to 2 over x. And the next thing we are going to do is to take x and 1 over to the right-hand side of this equation. When we do that, we have that y is equal to 2 over x minus x minus 1. Now, what we are going to do is that we will substitute 2 over x minus 1 for y in this first equation. Substituting for y in this equation, we have x times x squared minus 3 times 2 over x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now let us open this bracket. We have x times x squared minus 3 times 2 is equal to 6 over x. Minus 3 times minus x is plus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3. This is equal to 1. Now let us open the big bracket. X times x squared is x cubed. X times minus 6 over x is minus 6. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times 3 is 3x. This is equal to 1. Now let us add 6 to both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x is equal to 1 plus 6, which is equal to 7. The next thing we are going to do is to add 1 to both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. This is equal to 7 plus 1, which is 8. Now, when you look at the left-hand side of this equation, you can see that this is the expansion for x plus 1 cubed, and this is equal to 8, which is 2 cubed. And since we are looking for the real values of x, we can just go ahead and take the cube root of both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that x plus 1 is equal to 2. Subtracting 1 from both sides of this equation, we have that x is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So we have that x, which is a plus b, is equal to 1. Now, for the fun of it, let us go ahead and find the actual values of a and b. Of course, to do that, first of all, we find the value of a times b. Now, from this first equation, we have that a plus b cubed minus 3ab times a plus b is equal to 1. Substituting into this equation, we have 1 cubed minus 3ab times 1 is equal to 1. 1 cubed is 1. Then we have minus 3ab. This is equal to 1. Rearranging this equation, we have 1 minus 1 is equal to 3ab. 0 is equal to 3ab. And of course, from here, we have that ab is equal to 0. Now, to find the values of a and b, we solve these two equations simultaneously. From the second equation, we have that b is equal to 1 minus a. Substituting into the first equation, we have a times b is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that either a is equal to 0 or 1 minus a is equal to 0. Now from here we have that 1 is equal to a. So we have a equal to 0 and a equal to 1. Now from the second equation, when a is equal to 0, then b is going to be equal to 1. And when a is equal to 1, then b is going to be equal to 0. So we have the 2 points, 0, 1, and 1, 0. Now to check our answer, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, in this first equation we have 0 cubed plus 1 cubed. Of course, this is equal to 1, which is what we have here. And in the second equation, we have 0 plus 1 times 0 plus 1 times 1 plus 1. This is 1 times 1 times 2, which is equal to 2, which is exactly what we have on the right-hand side. And of course, when we check the second point, we get exactly the same results. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.